channel. Right now on your screen we are looking at the stock price of Chewy Inc. and today the stock is up 20.58%, trading at $28.33. So if you look at the graph, you can see that it's been a steady and slow increase throughout the course of the day. Now if we spread out to the past 5 days, you can see that the stock was trading last week at about $25, and then as we moved closer to the beginning of this week, then the stock actually took a downturn over the last 2 trading sessions before picking up today, going up 21%. So if you look at the volume, you can see that volume is actually quite high at 45 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to a typical day when we have just about 5 million shares that would exchange hands. Also, we have barely 35 minutes to the close of market, so I will keep this short. But remember that even though Chewy is going up in this manner, the number of pet adoptions has decreased, and they still face quite some challenges concerning the supply chain. So bear that in mind. They just came out with their financial results, and I think that has a direct bearing on what we see here on your screen, as the stock bouncing back up 20%. But if you look at the monthly, you see that we are actually still trading a little bit below what the stock was about just a month ago. If we spread out to the past 6 months, we can see that in December the stock was trading at about twice what it is at today. There's no reason to see to not think that this stock will keep up on its upward trajectory. Most of the stocks we review on this channel have shown that over the past 5 days, either they've remained horizontal or they are showing some signs of recovery, trending upward, and that's very encouraging to see. The feds and the federal government have put in place some measures to make sure that inflation is curbed, and also people returning back to work after 2 years of a global shutdown is going to help boost sales, I believe. Also, summer is just around the corner. People will likely be adopting more pets, heading out to Chewy, ordering stuff from Chewy. So I think that we are looking at a very, very good and nice rebound from Chewy. Bear in mind, this is one of those stocks that people actually forget about it when everything is moving as planned, but it's good to have this on the back of your mind and check back on this stock every couple of days, and if you think that it's moving in the right direction, then you can go ahead and do some invest in the stock, because I think there's still a lot of value tied into this company. If you look at the 52-week range, you would see that the 52-week low was at $22.22, and the 52-week high is $97.74. To put that, make some more sense out of that, if you look at the previous close of this stock, it was at $23.49. So very close to the 52-week low, and I think there's still a lot of headroom for the stock price of Chewy to grow. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next one. And please, on your way out, I would like to ask you a favor. Consider subscribing to the channel. Each and every new subscriber takes us closer to a goal that we fixed for ourselves, which is to have 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November. So thank you for your time, and thank you for those who have subscribed.